How to render matte surfaces number 2. In this second installment of my matte surface rendering series, I'm going to walk you through the fundamentals of how light behaves across simple rounded forms and how to render them convincingly. It's aimed at beginners and intermediate artists, but I think you'll find it pretty accessible. This workshop is all about building solid shading instincts. I'm using Photoshop, and this is how I'm going to demonstrate how to shade a cylinder, a cone, and a sphere, the core building blocks of form. And with observational clips of physical objects under light, you'll see how we perceive volume through value. We'll cover value assignment, cast shadow construction, and wrap with a full rendering demo of a much more complex form. So whether you're learning for the first time or brushing up on essentials, this workshop will sharpen your eye and your technique. So with that groundwork, let's move into the heart of rounded forms.